Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video for you and it is Degustabox. So this is how it arrives, big massive box. It arrives by courier, you get a text message telling you a time slot that they're going to deliver the box, so it's handy. So if you're not going to be in, you can message them and you can either leave it with a neighbour in your porch or at a different date. So it is quite handy because it's a massive box and you might not want to leave it outside your front door if you're out for the full day. So as always, if you're new to Degustabox, I'm going to give you a quick lowdown about what it is, but if you've seen it all before, I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to flip forward to seeing the actual contents. So Degustabox is a monthly food subscription box. It costs £12.99 a month and you can cancel any time. Now I have a refer a friend code that will entitle you to £5 off your first box plus a freebie gift food thing, which I believe is a chunky salted caramel Kit Kat. I will link that down below. I'll link links to the subscription and I'll link links to the actual website, so if you want to check out the website in more detail, then click on the show more and that will bring up the description and everything will be down there. So some months are better than others. There's usually a theme. This is the festive party theme, I think it is. There's around say 10 to 15 items per box. Every box comes to around £20 to £25 and you get a really good mix of products. There's a lot of new up and coming products that haven't been released in shops yet that you'll find in these boxes. You get a good mix of like gluten-free, dairy-free and vegan products as well, not solely. So if you do have specific dietary requirements, then if it's just you on your own, then this box might not be for you. There might be one or two items that may be suitable, but generally it's a big mix. There is a lot of products in there that are gluten-free and everything, but there is a bit of a mix in there. They do also have some alcohol. You have got the option to click non-alcohol on the website when you sign up, but I like some alcohol, so I generally get some alcohol in my boxes. But yeah, I think that's it really. So I'll just show you what's inside this month's box. It comes well packaged. Ooh. So I'll just show you what it looks like. I can't tip it up anymore. So that's what the contents look like. So bursting with items this month. So it's the celebration box and we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 items inside this box. So I will refer to this as we go along. It tells you the price as well. So on the back of this leaflet is normally a recipe related to some of the items in this box, but there's no recipe this time. It's a giveaway. So if you have a Degustabox yourself, it's saying to go onto Instagram, take a photo, tag Degustabox in it and tag a friend, and if you're picked, you and your friend will win a Degustabox for free in February. So that's there. So I'll just leave that there and refer to it as we go along. So the first item, and there's two of them, chocolates. So we've got green and blacks, velvet fruit, dark chocolate with real fruit centre, orange, which looks absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got another one here, dark chocolate with real fruit centre, a blueberry. Green and blacks are lovely. So that's what they look like. I'm gonna have to try it. I'm mad about orange. Absolutely adore orange. It's like a Jaffa cake. Have any of you tried Jaffa cakes? It's exactly like that. It's a weird texture, but no, that's gorgeous. I'll keep those, so I'll have them afterwards. So what's the information say? This is by Green and Blacks, as I said, and they would cost you £3.29 each. Indulgent fruit centres, delicately coated in rich, smooth dark chocolate. Discover a new indulgent chocolate experience, and you should receive 2 flavours in your box. So no, really happy with those, and yeah, a little bit different. Next item, this looks cool. Oh my word, I thought it had a swear word on it. It's called Funkin. I thought it said something else. See, when you've got dyslexia, sometimes you don't always read the word properly. You just see a couple of the letters and you just guess the rest. And yeah, some words tend to look like words. I'm not explaining anymore. You know what I mean? Anyway, this is by Funkin and it's a premium quality cocktail mixer. Ooh, passion fruit martini, serves 4, just add vodka and ice, make it shake. Oh my word, I've never seen anything like this before. So you just shake it up. Oh, nice, nice, nice. So it's massive, look, huge. So what's it say here? Does it say much information? So this would cost you £4. It says Funkin cocktails exist to shake up the ordinary, making great tasting cocktails available to all. Simply add spirit and ice to make it shake to create 4 delicious cocktails available in a range of classic, available in a range of classic flavours, including mojito, pina colada and espresso martini. Sorry, it's just tickled me. Ah, it's got a vodka fill line there. That is handy to know. So you can see how much vodka you're putting in. So this is a passion fruit one. I absolutely love that. I think that's quite quirky. Does it, what's it like inside? No, you have to proper open it. Oh yeah, it's got a seal there. Oh, this is so cool. Definitely a keepsake type of thing as well. And only £4. That is not bad at all, is it? Ooh, cocktail. No, I'll definitely be doing that, definitely. So next item, we've got a Slush Puppy, the original sour cherry flavour slushy. Freeze, squeeze and drink. No added sugar, made with fruit juice, no artificial flavours. Oh wow, I love Slush Puppies, but they gave me brain freeze. But I do love them, absolutely love them, and the kids do as well. So that's going to be a bit of a nightmare actually. Who will have it in the house? I've got 3. And I fancy trying it myself, but I don't know. I'll just put it in the freezer and first come, first can have it. Whoever sees it first. So anyway, so this is Slush Puppy Sour Cherry. Recommended retail price is £1.29. The iconic Slush Puppy is now available in convenient resealable pouches. The brand new range contains the original Slush Puppy taste but with no added sugar. Available in sour cherry, blue raspberry and strawberry. Each pouch contains just 95 calories. Now available in multi-packs of 3 for £3 in Tesco stores. So next we've got some pasta. Oh, spaghetti, long spaghetti. So this is number 4 spaghetti and it's by Del Verde, and it's a source of the Verde River, Italy. That's that there. Ooh, can you see there? Maybe you can pronounce it better than I. But yeah, we eat a lot of pasta in the house, and actually we don't have this type of pasta at the moment. We love making spaghetti bolognese, but every time I've gone to think to make it, I've only got like the fruzzly type pasta, and it's not the same. You want proper long spaghetti, don't you? So no, that's actually come in handy. I've got this one, but you've got pen pasta and then like a fruzzly pasta as well. So depending on which one you get, but you'll get one of those too. So the recommended retail price for them all is £1.99. It's made with the best durum wheat and the water from a very special place, the Verde River, which flows through the Margella National Park in the Abruzzo region of Italy. Del Verde is made using traditional bronze dyes and is slow dried to preserve its wonderful flavour. Ooh. So that's our 3rd item. Oh, we got one of these. We've had one before. I think we had Shreddies before. These are fab. It's cereal on the go. So you've got a pot of cereal there, and these are, what are these? Shredded wheat, nutty but nice honey and nut. Oh, nice honey shredded wheat. And then you've got some milk there. So I'll just take this out to show you. So you've got some semi-skim milk there. And yeah, it's just cereal on the go. I think they've got a spoon as well in there, but I don't know where it is. The spoon must be inside. I can't remember now, but we had it a couple of months ago. But no, really handy to have, really handy, especially if you're going away, like going away for a weekend or something like that, then yeah, it's handy to pop in your bag, isn't it? So this is by Nestle and the recommended retail price is £1.99. Our whole grain wheat is sown, grown and ripened in Britain using a recipe unchanged from 1893. So that's that. Then we've got pack of 3 noodles, authentic Asian noodles by Maggie Fusion. So these are what they look like. I'll show you individually. So we've got a sweet chili pot noodle. Well, it's not pot noodle, but you know what I mean. Chow mein noodles there, and spice curry noodles. And I think we had one before. Was it a duck flavoured one? I can't remember now. My eldest son, he loves them. He loves noodles and stuff, so I think he had it. But I'm sure we had the same from this brand as well. So Maggie Fusion noodle pots. They cost £1.15 each. Take the taste of Asia with you wherever you go with new Maggie Fusion noodle pots. Each pot includes premium noodles and sachets of spices and veggies, so you can enjoy mouth-watering Asian flavoured noodles ready in just 4 minutes. And there's 3 in your box. So yeah, I do like noodles. I've tried ramen before and I really like them, but it's not the sort of thing I would normally opt for, not these anyway, but you never know, they might be super tasty. But no. So that's them. Then we've got a Sleep Well chocolate milk drink. Now I think we've had one of these before as well. So it's like a chocolate drink milk. So what's it say? So Sleep Well chocolate milk cost you £1.25. Sleep Well is a new natural milk drink that helps you relax and get a better night's sleep. A gorgeous tasting, long life drink for the whole family, made with whole Jersey milk, honey and valerian, the herb that's been helping people relax and sleep for 2,000 years. I can't remember who had the other one. I didn't have one. I'm not sure if it was chocolate either, or if it's just plain milk. So I can't remember. My gosh, my memory is like a flipping sieve, isn't it? And then we've got a bar or something. What's it? Nature's Store. Oh, and it's open. Oh, look, it's open. Oh dear, why is it open? No, nothing's come out or anything. But oh, how weird. Yeah, so it says it's a salted caramel popcorn bar, gluten-free, high fibre and plant-based. It does sound really nice actually. You can see there, but you see, it looks really, really nice, doesn't it? I wonder why it was open. The only thing I can think of is that something was pressing down on the end and made it pop open. Haven't got a clue. So anyway, this will cost you 89p. They combine popcorn, seeds, dates, gluten-free oats and no added sugar Belgian chocolate with 4 high fibre nutrient-rich seeds and less than 150 calories per bar. They're the perfect healthy and delicious snacks, soon available in major supermarkets. So it's not even available yet. So no, so that was that item. We've got 2 alcohol drinks and these are Jack Daniel's and it's Lynchburg lemonade, crafted cocktail, Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey, triple sec liqueur and traditional style lemonade. Oh my gosh, that sounds gorgeous. So that's what they look like there. There's 2 of them, exactly the same. Now we've had a lot of Jack Daniel's drinks in the past. We've had Jack Daniel cider, we've had Jack Daniel, I think we've had a lemon drink before as well. I don't think we've had these ones. I don't recognise the name of these ones, but fortunately for me, I love Jack Daniel's. So my husband's not that keen on them, so I end up drinking them. They're quite nice. The last ones we had, I don't know what they were, but I do remember I really, really liked them, and I'm sure they had it had lemon in it as well. There's obviously a lots of Jack Daniel flavoured sort of drinks around, isn't there? These are worth £1.80 each. Combines the distinctive character of a finest Tennessee whiskey, a dash of triple sec, and a perfect measure of zesty lemonade for an expertly crafted drink from our home to yours. So those are all the items. So as always with my boxes, there's too much to hold, so I can't actually show you all the products, but I'm just going to tot them all up now and come back with the value. So my maths isn't the best, but adding them all up, it comes to around £25 this month. I will tot it up properly with a calculator when I get downstairs and when I edit it, so I'll add the actual value underneath the video so you can see, but it is around £25. I don't think I'm too far off the mark there, but so yeah, over the cost of your £12.99 box. So I think, yeah, so it's not a bad box at all. Don't think it's my favourite ever box. I think maybe last month was better. But we have got some really good items. The pasta's going to come in handy, the cereal is going to come in handy, and the kids are going to enjoy like the Slush Puppy and things like that. So yeah, so a good all-rounder box. But I'd love to know your thoughts as always. Let me know what you think of this month's box. Do you get Degustabox? How do you think it compares to the previous box? And do you think it's a Christmassy enough themed box for this month? I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.
Frosty the snowman was a jolly happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal.